Hi everyone, and welcome to our reveal of our monthly card kit. This one is called Mandy's Flowers. This is a really gorgeous card kit. I think you're going to love it. It has a lot of soft tones to it. We have two stamps to share with you. The first one is a 6x8 stamp set, and this is called Mandy's Flowers. It has some really beautifully illustrated flowers that are in jars and buckets, along with a picket fence and some really great messages to put together. These are illustrated by Nina Marie Trapani. She did a really fantastic job. We also have a 6x6 cling stamp, and this is really great for creating your backgrounds. And this is repeating flowers and leaves all in a 6x6 format. This coordinates beautifully with our papers. And these papers come from Bo Bunny. This is called the Early Bird collection, and they are 6x6 inch and they are single-sided. You can see the nice soft tones. There's florals. This one has like teapots and butterflies. There's a really nice script that you can stamp your flowers and put on top as a nice background. And then also a really nice blue background with a motif. And then more flowers. You can see that pink and the white and the yellows in there. This one's a really fun paper. It has little tiny birds where they overlap each other to create darker colors. This is a beautiful hexagon print. It almost looks like sequins, and it has a little bit of a distress look to it. A lot of these papers have a vintage feel as far as the designs. They look like old wallpaper to me, really nice stripes. Also, this one looks like a deco art type of print. Really, really cute. Reminds me of the 1920s. And finally, this last sheet reminds me of the 6x6 inch cling that's in your kit. So that is the 6x6 inch papers from Bo Bunny, and there are 12 sheets in total. We're also including a pack of tiny hearts, and these are by Doodlebug. These are a perfect size to add little sprinkles to some of the jars and containers for the flowers. A fun thing that we've included is a Nouveau, and this is bubblegum blush, and this is crystal drops that you can add some embellishments to your cards. The small size of the bottle is great if you've never tried these, so you can give them a shot on your card making. We have also included a 1 yard of Mayart's natural twine string, and this is the burlap, so you can just unroll that and add it to your cards. And talk about gorgeous. This is powder blue lace luxury embossed paper, and this is by Tonic. It's really gorgeous. It's quite flat, and it has these flowers in the background. So it's a really nice paper for a background, or you could use it for die cuts. Our card stocks this month are cotton candy and then the Simon Says Stamp 120-pound white. So that is the contents of our Mandy's Flowers card kit from Simon Says Stamp. Our designers sent us so many cards it was hard to choose, but I'll start off with Susie Plantamura's card. And she white embossed that cling background, and then she watercolored over it and then added some stamped images on top. She also added details by using the Nouveau bubblegum blush drops on the tin can for the flowers. We have a beautiful card from Consuelo Morales, and she created a really nice card using a lot of the papers and then created a panel on top with a watercolored flower in a glass jar. Jen Shirkus created a really fun background using the cling stamp and a rainbow of colors, and then she used one of the messages on top along with some black hearts. I hope you found some great inspiration in using our card kit, Mandy's Flowers from Simon Says Stamp, and be sure to check out our galleries and our blog posts as we'll be featuring more inspiration. As always, thanks so much for joining us.